Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Dispute Beast. So if you don't know what this app is, it is basically an app that helps you with your finances, with AI also. So as you can see, we have it here on the website. So as you can see, millions endure a struggle due to poor credit scores. You can avoid that by using Dispute Beast. So as you can see, if you're wondering if this product is legit or not, let's head over here to Trustpilot and see that they are rated 4.3 out of 5 stars, which is excellent. So let's read some reviews here. As of now, from reading everything I saw, well, I would truly recommend it. This is also 1 star. Good luck. Hope you can figure out that you're not afraid to dish out money left and right. In this short period of time, I've gotten a 7-point increase. Sprint mail delivery, literally. No phone support whatsoever. My credit score has gone up 143 points since. Man, this attack was amazing. Instructions were really easy to follow. The process was easy to understand and perform. Hopefully, by doing the right thing, by getting sprint mail to my mail attackers, hopefully I see an increase in my credit. And just started my 3rd review today. Best company to fight your consumer rights and a lot more. So if you want to try this product out to increase your credit score, you can try this out. But I do advise you to do some research before doing that, since it may be not what you're looking for. However, this product or this app is legit. And yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.